Move in ready. Come home to this signle-story 3-bedroom/2-bath brick home with attached 2-car garage. Enter the home and you'll love the huge living area that overlooks the fenced backyard. The open floor plan continues through to the dining room and kitchen. In the kitchen, you'll enjoy loads of counter space, a breakfast bar, and plenty of storage. Master Suite has a spacious walk-in closet, a unique ensuite bath that features both a tub shower combo plus a separate shower. The 2 guest bedrooms offer great storage/closet space. The fenced backyard offers extended outdoor living area on the deck.